Hello and welcome to the fourth edition of the 5-Minute Finance Drill. Hi, my name is Banam. I'll be your host of the vlog, and I wanted to jump in and talk about, people's investing strategies. The economy is starting to pick back up. Jobs are increasing. People are increasing their spending. And today is April 15th, tax day, so either you're waiting to get a big refund or you waited last minute, to dreadfully pay your taxes. But I want to talk about how people's outlook should be going forward with, the economy, quote unquote, starting to recover. Now, the economy is not officially back to where it should be, but there's positive signs that are out there. And I want to discuss with people about how they should approach investing with the economy being the way that it is. I still feel with coming off of a bad market that people should approach their investments cautiously, And I always stress that, your investment strategies definitely is geared towards where you're at in your life, as well as how forward are you how long is it till you retire. For my older followers, like I said, look into things like annuities, and you want to work on fixed income securities, which bonds being the most popular fixed income securities, annuities, assurance plans, life plans, term life plans. You want to concentrate some of your assets on these things because you want to be able to determine your lifestyle in the near future, and knowing that you have a set income stream outside of your 401k or Social Security is the best way to comfortably prepare for retirement. For my younger viewers, midlife to younger viewers, I suggest that you cautiously get into the market and not jump head first. Like I said earlier in the earlier blogs, you want to have a good mix of stocks to fixed income bond portfolios. You want to do your research on certain bond portfolios. I'm going to make suggestions in later vlogs, and like I tell you, experts make suggestions and they're wrong. Me being a layman person with financial knowledge, I can suggest things and, it could work and it can't work. That's why I look, more to point to you to theory and strategies than to tell you this is a hot company, that's a hot company. I like to look at certain things like low price to earning ratios, a low book to market value ratio and things like that. And also, I primarily would like you guys to focus on blue chip, large stocks versus the small stocks. Now, the small stocks throughout history have been known to be able to provide you with growth, but choosing small stocks is a technical science. And, for those of you who have a little knowledge of, investing in stocks, I'd like you to focus on stocks with market caps of 250 million and higher. Going under 250 million and lower is considered smaller cap stocks, and that's where the volatility comes in. Depending on how much money you have to invest, if you have a good amount to invest, then you can have some smaller stocks in your portfolio, but I prefer to have larger cap stocks that share prices might be down. It could be, people are being skeptic of the business practices, or, due to, the decrease in spending over the last years, market value of stocks have gone down. But I always tell people to concentrate into stocks that you believe in, and look for a stock that's trading at what you believe to be lower than you expect. Now, I'm not talking about fundamental analysis and technical analysis like the marketers say this share should be $15 and it's trading at $7. I'm saying to yourself, as someone who knows a company or knows the products of a company, and you evaluate the market, the share price, and you say to yourself, wow, the share price on this stock is really low. That's less of a gamble when you recognize what the product is, you recognize what the company is, and I invite you to go to their website, click on the investing portions and read up on stuff. Some stuff will be technical, but some stuff can be black and white. I always suggest that people Google a company that you want to invest in, that you see their share price, and just read current articles on them. Even if you don't want to take the time out to read all of our articles, I always like to put the company, I go to Yahoo Finance or Google Finance, I put the company in to get a quote, and then I read the articles, or even just the titles of the articles about the company. Company ABC has an expected IPO release. Company ABC has been ranked amongst its market as such and such. And I say that because you want to read up on a company and just understand where the direction is going. So, to wrap up this blog, I'd just like to say, as the economy is getting better, I want people to start being less scared to invest, get into investing, but don't jump in chasing, what people are saying, oh, this stock is hot, that stock is hot, because I advise against people buying stocks and trading stocks on a daily basis, day trading, because one, you could lose out on value because you're chasing momentum. Two, as an accountant, I say that you can make money quickly, and then you have to pay capital gains tax on that money that you made when you're filing your tax returns, and that reduces the return you got on your investment. And C, the commissions, as you sell stocks, and when you invest stocks and you sell stocks, you pay commissions. So continually selling stocks, buying stocks and selling stocks, you lose out on the value of your money because you're paying commissions to purchase that stock, you're paying commissions to sell that stock. And overall, those commissions start to add up and take away from your return. I believe especially people who are looking to get wealth and value from their stocks, buy stocks, hold on to it, continue to build your portfolio, and look towards the future. I'll start mentioning different investment instruments that you can use as we go further along in the blog. Thank you for listening to, the direction I'm trying to point you guys into and following the blog. Once again, you can email me questions, comments, or different topics you'd like to discuss at smallmoneybigdreams@gmail.com. And the website of the vlog, like always, is smallmoneybigdreams.com. And also you could find the videos as well on YouTube, youtube.com/smallmoneybigdreams. Thank you guys. See you on the top. Signing off.